to you live once again, Ultimate Sports Cards in Vegas. This time we're doing 2 boxes of UD Black Basketball. Okay. Our goal is to have better boxes than Premier, which is going to be tough to do, but let's see it.
It's kind of tight.
I like the golden ticket pack better. You can just rip through those.
A pack within a pack within a pack.
Exactly. Alright.
Come on.
UD Black.
Ticket.
Oh. Slowly sliding it out.
21. It's Rudy Gay.
Oh, Rudy Gay.
Rudy Gay, autograph.
That's a nice card.
Not what we're looking for, but nice card.
One off his jersey number.
See what the other pack has.
22.
This product is a hit or miss, so let's hopefully this will be a hit here.
Yes. Triple auto and calling.
Just because you're right about the Kevin Durant doesn't mean you're right about the triple. I hope you are. If you're wrong, I have to find another use for the scissors.
Ticket.
Uh-oh.
Is this...
Oh,
Yes, it's Corey Maggetti.
Here's your boy. What's that number 2?
23 of 50.
That
Okay.
wasn't that.
That wasn't that spectacular.
We got to do better than that.
This one's bad.
This one's more of a gamble
Yep.
than.
That's
Wow.
right. That's
Gay
right.
and Maggetti.
That's right.
Did you say Gay again?
Gay and Maggetti. Does that offend you?
Oh boy.
My boy, Blue. Come on. I need to say holy balls to something. I need to see, you know?
Come on. I'm still calling Jordan.
Oh, gold. Looks
Ooh,
like
good start. Hopefully here. Come on. Rudy Gay.
Rudy Gay again.
That's gay.
Jeez, he's pulling
Jeez.
a lot of Rudy Gays.
What's that number 2?
15 or 13 of 15.
It's a nice card, but again.
All right, come on. Here we go.
Wow. Come on, guys.
Jordan.
One of
Michael
one.
Jordan.
One of one.
It's going to get better. It's gonna...
Battery, don't die on me.
Another ticket?
The ticket.
Sheldon.
Oh.
There you go. Sheldon Williams auto. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching from Ultimate Sports Cards.